Hello kids, welcome back to Learn with Maktoum. So today in this video we are going to start with second standard subjects beginning with EVS lesson number 1. The first lesson in EVS is Introduction of Animals. I hope you also studied about animals in first standard. Yes? If you have forgotten, so above on the right side you can see there's a video suggestion. You can watch that and remember about animals. So today in this video we are going to study lesson number 1 of EVS, that is Introduction of Animals. So let's begin. Lesson number 1, Introduction of Animals. Here, recognize these animals. Write their name in the given box. Okay, here you have to recognize these. I hope you already studied them. I also made a video on animals for kids. That is also given on the right side suggestion. You can go and watch it. Okay, so I hope you know all these animals. You have to write their name in the box. First animal is what? It is dog. D-O-G. Dog. Yes. Second animal is cow. C-O-W. Cow. Third animal is sheep. S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. Fourth one is fish. F-I-S-H. Fish. Fourth one, fifth one is crow. C-R-O-W. Crow. And the last animal is ant. A-N-T. Ant. Okay. Name the other animals and birds you find in your locality. So you can mention any other animals, maybe cat, goat. Yes, like this you can mention any animals. Okay. Animals are categorized as water animals. The animals which lives in water are called water animals. For example, fish. Yes, fish will not survive if you take it out of the water. Yes, it needs water to survive. Yes, that is an example for water animals. Land animals which lives on land, like human beings, like us. Yes, flying animals which can fly, those are also called as birds. Insects are like butterfly. Yes, then some of the worms, those comes under insects. Then crawling animals, snake can crawl, no? Then mammals, we comes under mammals. Okay, this is about a brief categorization of animals. First, see birds. Those are called as flying animals. Birds are animals with beak and wings. You may have saw crow. Yes. Then pigeon, parrot. Yes. All these birds will be having a beak as well as they will be having wings to fly. Yes. Name some birds is the question. The answer: pigeon, crow, parrot, peacock. So here in this picture you can see there are birds. So you can see this is the beak and they will be having wings. Okay, clear with this, kids? Birds can fly with the help of wings. Remember this. And name some birds like pigeon, crow, parrot, and peacock. Okay. Insects. The body of insects is small. Like cockroach you may have seen, yes? Compare cockroach and the birds. Which is smaller? Insect, yes? So insect's body is small. These have 6 legs and a pair of feelers. So insects have 6 legs and a pair of feelers. What are these feelers? I will show you in the picture, okay? The question here is name some insects. So the answer will be like cockroach, grasshopper, mosquito, butterfly. So these are some of the example for insects. Okay, let us see about insects here. So as I said, their body is small. Yes, and they are having 6 legs. Okay, these are feelers. You can see here too. These are feelers. Okay, write the names of the insects you find in these pictures. So the first picture is what? It is a cockroach. Second one is a mosquito. Third one is grasshopper. Clear about insects? Their body is small. They have 6 legs and a pair of feelers. Name some insects. Cockroach, grasshopper, mosquito, butterfly. Okay? Next here, recognize the insects given in the following pictures. Match their names by drawing lines. So these are some of the insects. You have to match them with their names. First one is what? Cockroach. Yes, where is cockroach? Yes, here it is. Cockroach. Practice the spellings, okay? Second one is mosquito. Mosquito. Third one is grasshopper. Where is grasshopper? Here it is. Then next one is honeybee. Okay. The next one is bed bug. What it is? Bed bug. Then lastly we have ant. Clear with this? Have you seen crawling animals? Yes, here you can see the snake, no? It will be crawling. Yes, this is a snail. This is a snail. It will be also scrolling. And earthworm, it will also scroll. Tell the name of two such animals. Snake, snail, then earthworm. These are crawling animals. Write their names in the given box. Snail, earthworm. Okay. This is a snake. It is a crawling animal. Okay. How do these animals move? Look at the pictures and draw lines to match. So here they are given some animals. How do they move? You have to match. First one is a bird. It can fly. So it flies. Second one can hop, means jump. Yeah, hopping. Third one can crawl. The snake will be crawling, no? So it can crawl. You should match with the crawls. Deer. Deer can walk. Yes. Then fish will be swimming in water. Yeah. Swims. Clear with this? Look at the following pictures. Circle the odd ones. So here they are given the pictures, you have to circle the odd one here. Okay, here you can see first one, second one, and third one. These three pictures are insects. Yes, these three pictures are showing insect, whereas this is the land animal, and it is a their body is huge, whereas these three bodies is small. Yes, so odd one is what? Cow. Then here in the second question, in the second question we have parrot and swan and peacock. These three are birds, whereas rabbit is not a bird, so it is the odd one here. Third one, horse, sheep, crow, ox. So here crow is a bird. Yes, this is the odd one. Then we have dog, snake, earthworm, snail. This, these three are crawling animals. Dog is the odd one. Write the names of the animals you have seen. Flying animals. Pigeon, parrot. I hope you have seen them. Crawling animals. Snake, snail. Walking animals. Dog, cat. Insects, cockroach, grasshopper. Birds and insects are also animals. Likewise, human beings also belong to the group of animals. So here what they are saying is birds, insects, all they are also a part of animals. Okay, and humans also, they are also a part of animals. Okay, kids. Now look at the pictures given below. The outer box has pictures of animals and their shadows are in the inner box. Match the animals with their shadows. I hope you can do this. This will be a small work for you people. Okay, you have to match the animals with their shadow. It's an easier one. You can do it. Yes, kids. With this, we will be finishing your first chapter, that is Introduction to Animals. Okay. So what you have studied in this chapter about animals, we saw there are different types of animals. In that, birds, insects, human beings, crawling animals, walking animals. Yes, and one more thing here is you should remember that we have like wild animals and domestic animals. Domestic animals, I hope you know, like dog, cat, all these can be domesticated. Means we can bring them and we can feed them. Yeah, we can keep them in with ourselves. Those are like domestic animals, whereas wild animals are wild in nature. They will be present in forest. Okay, so those are the wilder animals like elephant, tiger, yes, cheetah, all these are wild animals. I hope I'm clear with the wild animal and domestic animals. About them in detail you will be studying in your higher studies, but for now you should be remembering flying animals which can fly. Example, pigeon, parrot. Crawling animals can crawl. Those are snake and snail. Then walking animals like dog and cat. Insects, their body is small. They have 8 legs and 2 feelers. Example are cockroach and grasshopper. This much we have studied in the first chapter, Introduction of Animals. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to learn from first standard till the 10th standard. Okay kids? So that's all for this video. I'm going to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.